Okay, so today I'm going over some quick tools that I use to extract honey with a Flow Super, and this is something I forgot to post last summer, so I felt it was appropriate to use it to kick off our week of Flow Hive information. Now this has a deep bottom brood box, and then a medium super, and then the Flow Super on top with the queen excluder underneath. This is showing the Rockwell jaw stands that I use. They allow you to set up a shelf to collect your honey on that will adapt to any angle. They're tripod base, they sit on uneven ground, and these are really handy. This shows the front. Oh, there goes a drone taking off, searching for a queen. And they're all ventilating the hive because there's been a nectar flow during this period. We use a bottle jack to tip the front forward, or back, I'm sorry, and then we're going to collect the honey on that shelf. And there it is, dripping, just getting started. And this is the frame that's being drained. You can see the cells are open. The honey has dripped down into the trough below. And this is my oldest flow frame system. So we're going into our 4th year. And you can see how it's holding up here. I'm using a GoPro Hero 7 to observe in the back. I also use these bubble levels. You can set this right on top and it shows whether we're tilting left or right. The optimum tilt back angle is 2 degrees. So we still have to jack up the front just a little bit here, and then we show the shelf, throw that on there. I carry 2 of these in my pocket, and it shows that the honey collection shelf is perfectly level. Now notice there are particulates coming out through here, and they are bits of propolis and some bits of wax that are in the honey. They will rise to the top and you can scoop them off later, or you can just filter them if you want to do that. This shows the front of the hive, the activity while the hive is tilted back. The bees are not excited. They're just doing their thing, and because they are in a nectar flow, they're ventilating the hive, and that's why you see them here with their heads down and their wings beating as fast as they can go. They're just venting out to help dehydrate that honey that's in the other cells there. Here's a close-up of it coming out. I hope that you'll tune in and subscribe for this week because I'm going to go over several different Flow Hive configurations. I'm going to show you the Flow Hive 2. I'm going to show you the integrated pest management system that it has. I'm going to address keeping flow hives in colder climates. So what do you have to do? How do you configure the boxes? If you're just beginning with flow hives, I'm going to show you how to use just a Flow Super on standard 10-frame Langstroth boxes. And we're going to go over some of the bottom board options. And I'm going to talk to you about how to feed your bees and whether or not the flow hive tops will accommodate feeders. And if they don't, what are your options? So it's going to be an interesting week. This video is to be used as just a teaser for that. Look for the full video coming out on Thursday or Friday, and I'll go over everything in great detail. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me. This does not indicate what's going on in my backyard right now. We are at 10 degrees Fahrenheit. We have snow everywhere. It's just as cold as ever, and this is a flashback to last summer. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you later this week.